Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You know who I am. I am the two-time the Boxed award-winning the Boxed.
And I am still the one-time the Boxed award-winning Autistic Chef David Leahy.
And I'm closing in on the road to 500.
Congratulations.
This should be either 493 or 494. And I do have things planned for 496 onwards, so you'll see that when we cross that bridge.
So what are we doing today, though? Today we're doing some deep-fried appies.
Yep.
So we're going to do deep-fried zucchini sticks with a grainy Dijon mayo. We're also going to do some beer battered onion rings with a sweet chili ketchup. So let's do the zucchini sticks first, my favorite. And white spots, eat your fucking heart out. These are better than white spots, so there you go. So I have to get that one in. White spot, eat your heart out. So here we go. First things first. Got zucchini. Cut it into so we cut it in half, then cut it into fours. So quarters. Drop them in your flour. Make sure you really coat the hell out of them. Spill everything anywhere too. Don't be a dumbass. Now, into our egg wash. Don't do too many at a time. Also gonna get crowded. Do at least 4 or 5 at a time. Look at that. Nom nom. So in the flour there's onion powder, garlic powder, kosher salt, and white pepper. So you can do a one-handed setup here. So you can do flour, egg, like really killing yourself. Both in here like this, and these are really good for like when you have like guests over, like you're having a little party, appetizer party. It's always good to have. You can, if you need to, you can freeze them. You can actually bread them and you can freeze them, like you do like chicken strips or something. Last for a while, and then if you want one, just pop one out and just freeze it, and then just deep fry the little bastards, and they're good to go. So let's go a little more here. Throw them in there. Toss, toss, toss. Make sure you really coat them. Like, you want to really coat these sons of the bitches really well. Cut off any excess. Into your egg. Take off any excess. Into your eggs. Maybe you shouldn't go too much. I probably did a couple too many, so it's my fault. Sorry, keep an eye on my flour, keep an eye here on my oil here, because I know what happened last time. There we go. Toss, toss, toss. Want to really coat them, like make sure they look like that. See how nice and coated they are? Look at that. Pretty, eh? Those are pretty, eh? You're not gonna get every spot, but do the best you can. It's all good. If you can't get every surface of it with egg, if it happens, just don't worry about it. But try to be careful if you can, get most of it. Like I say, these are better than white spots. They probably are. I don't know, but doing these for a while, and I love making these. It's one of my favorite things to make, like for a little snack or something.
Oh yeah, don't forget the chains are mass produced, so yeah, a lot of the homemade stuff's gonna be better, right?
Oh yeah. There you go. Both the same size if you can get the same size. Not gonna be perfect, but it's not always. Not ready yet. maybe it is. Okay, actually it is, actually. Never mind. Using brand spanking new oil here, folks. So this is brand spanking new. So there you go. This oil is brand spanking new. So it'll be nice and clean. Now you have. See if I should use it for when you have guests over for a party or something. Good little party trick. You just gotta break them out, cook them, and they're good to go.
So are you gonna get the zucchini wax?
No.
Get it? Zucchini wax.
Oh, Jesus. I should have known that one. Son of a bitch. I should have known that one. Son of a bitch. Keep walking into those ones, don't I? Son of a bitch.
It's just not a video of the two of us if I don't make a bad joke.
Yeah, it isn't. It's not. Not a video unless we make a few bad puns, friends. And so after I've done that, so I'm going to do the dipping sauce. It's really simple, like just a really simple dipping sauce. Kind of a bit of a play on what they do at White Spots. Well, not really. It's kind of like same kind of ballpark idea for the sauce. The dipping sauce is kind of the same kind of around that ballpark idea. So it's kind of not really. A little bit of mayo. Dijon. Old fashioned mustard. You can find actual green Dijon. It's good, but kind of like that. So. You don't want them like too crispy. You don't want them too brown, but you want like nice golden brown. And also notice I didn't move it at all. If you move it too much, move it around too much, you're gonna lose the coating there. So best when you're doing it is to move it as little as possible when you're using anything like batter. So now we're gonna take them out. These look beautiful, huh? Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Yep.
Hot damn. Oh, yeah. Drain for about 30 seconds to a minute. Wait, so it's hot. Hot. So while we're doing that, I'm just going to move this off the burner until we need it. Shit. Go. Now let's go plate. Over here. So we gotta stack them, kind of like like you do Lincoln Log back in the day. They might fall apart a little bit. Oops. There you go. Deep fried zucchini sticks. There you go. off. Oh, those are so good. Alright, so we'll be back in 2 seconds with our second one here. Welcome back, folks, and now we are doing beer battered onion rings. Nom 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 nom. So first things first, we got an onion, big one, big, small. I would recommend going big. So cut off the ends, get most of the peel off. And that's dead, you can just take it off pretty quick here. I'm a little nervous about doing it. I haven't done anything like this in a while, so I'm a little bit nervous, guys. I'm being honest here. I'm a little bit nervous about doing this. So it may not work, it may not. I don't know yet. I'm kind of nervous. So I want it nice and thick. So, I'm going to pop them out. And yeah, I'm crying because of the onions. I'm cutting onions. The only reason I'm crying, I'm cutting onions. Wow, wow, wow. There we go. You can laugh at that one. I'm not crying, I'm cutting onions. Wow, wow, wow. That's my excuse. I'm going to stick to it.
I'm not crying, my eyeballs are sweating.
Yep, there you go. That too. All boys are sweating. There you go. That one works too. So throw them into your batter. Also gonna dip them in. Also gonna toss them in. I'm gonna turn on the oil. We're also gonna toss them in panko breadcrumbs afterwards. I want to do this for a while. Alright, so I'm only gonna do like 190 just because I'm a little worried how this is gonna turn out. Take off any excess into your breadcrumbs. It might work actually. Look at it, it might work this time, I think. It's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. Yeah, yeah. I think it's going to work. Yeah, yeah. I hope it does. And the same thing we use for the, because I'm nervous, I'm only doing 1 onion here, folks, so sorry. Just because I haven't done this in quite a few years, and last time it didn't work out too well, so I'm just a little bit nervous. I'm sorry if I'm a little bit nervous about this. So. So far, though, it looks pretty good so far, actually. Okay, something out of a pub or something, pub food. It's good pub food. This would go. This is in the Zucchini will have to go with like a nice cold beer or something on a nice summer day. Sit on a patio with a few friends, have a few beers, have this in the middle. Hey, can't go wrong, right? Right, Disco? Nope. Alright, so here we go. Drop them in, folks. Stick your finger in? No. When you dip your face in?
You first.
Nah. I actually gotta get married with this mug. So I just gotta wait for it for a couple minutes. Oh, it's starting to come off though. Shit, might not work. Shit. Might not work.
Feces.
Feces. It might work, it might not. I don't know yet. We'll see what happens. Just a little worried about it. It might come off or something. So, folks, we have a little bit of a downer ending to this. Sorry to tell you guys, but the onion rings kind of didn't work out like we planned. So we're going to have to end the video here. We apologize, folks. It's kind of annoying, but what can you do? Sometimes things happen. Things are not going to go exactly as planned. Let me just double check one more time, though. Let me just double check. Maybe it works. No, it didn't really work. Butter's coming off. Yeah, it didn't really work. Didn't really work out. That's okay. So, folks, until next time, I am still the one-time, the Box Award-winning Autistic Chef, David Leahy. And this douchebag over here,
I am the two-time, the Box Award-winning the Box.
And we will see you at next time when we do video number 496 for Disco.
Yep, and that's gonna be like my my official start to the road to 500 of those final like 4 or 5 videos, and I do have ideas for those specific videos that I want to be doing.
All right, folks.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, guys.